What is vertigo? The symptom is in the form of dizziness. The person will be sitting on place as if he is feeling as if the entire room is just spinning, or he loses his imbalance, equilibrium. We just use the word vertigo for all this, but vertigo can be due to, just like headache, vertigo can be due to so many problems. So you have to find out by talking to the patient. It can be due to high blood pressure or low sugar level, high sugar level, or it can be some tumor in the base of the brain or on the occipital region, or sometimes it may even involve a part of the internal ear. So supposing a person has got cervical spondylitis, it may extend into the back of the head also, that is called occipital region. Then the patient feels vertigo. So many causes are there, but the term is vertigo. But by talking to the patient, we know what are the problems he has got. By talking to the patient, we know what is the root cause of the problem. Sometimes the patient does not know that he has got cervical spondylitis. Then we go to when I ask him whether you have got cervical spondylitis or neck pain, he says no. But when I just press here, he feels some pressure points here. Then I just straight and also go to where is the vertigo felt? This is the back of the head, occipital region. Usually the patient feels a occipital headache, or the entire head he will feel something here, that is vertigo or dizziness. So you apply pressure here for the front of the head, usually for the internal ear. This is the external ear, middle ear and the internal ear. Internal ear is part of the brain. So you go to the internal ear by applying pressure here. Automatically, if it is due to if the vertigo is due to internal ear problem, by applying pressure here, the symptom of vertigo comes down. If it is due to cervical spondylitis, you apply pressure here, find out where the problem is, which bone is involved. Then you don't need X-ray or MRI scanning, etc. You can easily identify the point of the problem. That is whether it is C5, C6 or C3, C4. All these things can be identified by applying pressure here. Treat the root cause, cervical spondylitis, and also the symptom which is in the form of vertigo. If it is due to high blood pressure, I already told you how to treat the blood pressure by going to the adrenal gland. So causes, you have to go to the root cause of the problem. If it is high sugar level, you have to treat the diabetes case. Sometimes it can be even due to side effects of the medicines which you are taking. So sometimes some people will have what is called cervical rib. The cervical means neck region. Neck, there are only 7 bones. The 7th bone, the base of the neck, it actually shows a small growth externally. That actually is called, ribs are present only thoracic region, but the 7th cervical vertebra alone shows some external growth, that is called extra growth, that is called cervical rib, rare case. So in that case also sometimes the patient feels the vertigo, in which case you have to treat the cervical rib. But it warrants, cervical rib means in allopathy it warrants surgery, but only thing is surgery also is not going to solve the problem, because it is a vulnerable area where some sympathetic ganglion is present. There are so many other symptoms in addition to the vertigo. So severe pain will be there, that can be easily treated by going to the back Vishuddha chakra if it is due to cervical rib. If it is due to cervical spondylitis, you go to the back Vishuddha chakra, Mooladhara chakra, and also the head shows the symptom of vertigo. Go to the back Agnya chakra and front Agnya chakra. This is how you treat. Combine acupuncture by going to the root cause of the problem. If it is diabetes, you treat diabetes by going to the pituitary gland and also thyroid gland, pancreas, islet of Langerhans, which is having a type of cell called beta cell, which is responsible for production of insulin. These 3 have to be treated in case of diabetes. Diabetes, if it is due to low blood pressure or high blood pressure, treat blood pressure. If it is due to low sugar level, treat the diabetes also. All this can be treated, but only thing is you have to find out the cause of the vertigo, then you can treat easily.